Welcome to Osiki Retreat, outside Nairobi at the edge of Nairobi National Park. I'm so excited and happy to introduce you today to our latest construction, the Camel Dome. It is an adobe Earthbag House designed and built by our friend and architect from Iran. After quite a bit of testing the soil and the mixture that we need for the filling of the earth bags, we started beginning of March, and it took us all in all around 5 months of construction. So the dome actually has two domes, the main dome for living and a smaller dome as the bathroom. They used 750 bags of compacted soil that were placed next to each other and on top of each other, structured to the dome. So you can see here these wooden posts, and they reach out and reach indoors. And in the house, they are the base for the steps. And outside here, they are the fan factor. Everybody loves to walk up and down and sit up on this little platform from which you can see far over Nairobi National Park. The perfect place for a sundowner. I also want to point out that each little opening, whether it's a window or for ventilation, has its own little shape, its own creation, its own beauty. Here or there, or even up here. And our main window, again designed by Milad, was done by a very special Kenyan carpenter who can do every single piece of wood here in this house exactly to the right size and shape. So please come and follow me inside. Definitely one of our highlights is this roof window, which Milad has designed for the main dome and the same smaller size for the bathroom. So what you see here is the plaster from soil and straw, which was added on top of a first plaster with chalk and sand. On top of this, we still miss the final painting, where we have to wait for mineral powder paint to come and be added to a primer paint that has natural ingredients. Only up here you can see a third layer, and that is the mix of pure clay, wheat flour and sand with water and added like paint. So here you can see our beautiful stairs leading up to a platform where there will be mattresses and a bed. Now I show you our future bathroom. This will be a toilet space, a sink, and the future shower. So as you can see, most of the material we used is from our grounds or homegrown. Like all this wood that you can see, it's our own croton wood. And the little pebbles and stones on the floor as well as the middle slice of wood, we added macera stones, but otherwise we bought very little additional material. And here Milad designed a day bed, again the same kind of plaster, our own wood, and we will add some cushions and a mattress so that you can relax there with a cup of tea or a beer and enjoy the beautiful view outside into the garden.